I welcome you all to the holy land of Lord Jagannath. It is a matter of great pride that the Monsoon Meet 2024 is being hosted for the first time in Odisha by the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy, Government of India. Animal husbandry and dairy sectors are vital for India's food security, rural development and economic growth. They provide essential nutrients like milk, meat, eggs and fish, meeting the dietary needs of a growing population. The dairy sector alone contributes significantly to the national economy, with India being the world's largest milk producer. Animal husbandry also plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance and soil fertility, making it an integral part of sustainable agriculture. The importance of these sectors extends beyond economic benefits, as they also contribute to social and environmental sustainability. They provide a source of income and employment for rural communities, particularly small and marginal farmers, tribal communities, and women. These sectors also help present indigenous breeds and genetic resources, promoting biodiversity and cultural heritage. Furthermore, animal husbandry and dairy farming can help reduce poverty and improve livelihoods in rural areas, making them essential for achieving inclusive and sustainable development. Today's gathering reflects our collective commitment to advance the livestock and dairy sectors in the country, where we must harness the power of innovation and collaboration to strengthen these sectors. This meeting would provide forum for sharing ideas and experience, learning best practices from each other, shaping the shared vision for Viksit Bharat through collaboration and convergence. Livestock sector is the key driver of growth in agrarian economy and contributes around 40% to the agriculture gross value added. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has the dream of improving life of small farmers by increasing scope of animal husbandry, in improving the health of animals, in encouraging animal husbandry as well as pisciculture and beekeeping in village. Central government as well as government of Odisha are focusing on livestock sector to enhance farmers' income, livelihood for unemployed youth and strengthening of women groups. Though 100 days of the new government in Odisha are yet to be completed, but Odisha has prepared a roadmap for bringing transformative changes in all sectors. Our agenda has been clear to create a comprehensive policy framework that not only addresses immediate concern but also long-term development and sustainability. In order to boost up milk production in the state, my government has formulated a new scheme, Mukhya Mantri Kamadhanu Yojana, with an outlay of rupees 1423.47 crore for 5 years, under which there will be assistance for establishing small dairy units, provision of subsidized calf feed, increasing coverage under livestock insurance, and strengthening dairy cooperatives. Today, an MOU has been signed with National Dairy Development Board (NDDB) towards strengthening of state milk cooperatives and boosting milk production. We are also collaborating with the NDDB to strengthen the poultry and small animal production. My government has planned Prani Sampad Samruddhi Yojana with an objective of holistic growth of small animal sector. Small animal breeding policy is under preparation. To further strengthen the livestock healthcare, mobile veterinary clinics, my government has come up with Go Mata Yojana, goal for management and treatment of animals, that is Go Mata Yojana, with an objective to foster a more compassionate and responsibility approach towards stray and destitute animals. A new scheme, Mukhyamantri Prani Kalyan Yojana, has been introduced. We also plan to amend the Odisha Prevention of Cow Slaughter Act 1960 with an objective to make it realistic with focus to reduce cruelty to animals. Odisha will complete 100 years of its formation in 1936. Coincidentally, it comes just 11 years before the goal of Vikasit Bharat 2047. Odisha will play a very important role in realizing the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister. On account of the Vikasit Odisha 2036, my government has a vision of centralized integrated command center to monitor livestock health 24/7, that is 24 hours into 7 days, availability of quality livestock health care system at farmers' doorstep, referral veterinary hospitals and disease diagnosis facilities in each block of the state, enhancing outreach of milk federation by establishing milk collection center and chilling of facilities at Gram Panchayat level in the state. Further focus will be given on climate resilient livestock farming, conservation and development of indigenous breeds of livestock. Working in coordination with Government of India for scheme like Livestock Health and Disease Control Program, Rashtriya Gokul Mission and National Livestock Mission in the state, government aims to establish a second semen station, goat semen station, and in vitro fertilization laboratory in coming years. Encouraging and supporting rural innovations like key to driving progress. Today's deliberations may identify and suggest innovative solutions that can be scaled up to benefit a larger number of stakeholders. We are committed to creating an environment that is conducive to investment, offering incentives and support to stakeholders who are willing to contribute to our larger vision. I once again thank the Government of India, Honorable Union Minister and Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying for giving Odisha an opportunity to host the Monsoon Meet 2024. I also extend my gratitude to the Honorable Ministers of all the states and union territories who are attending this meet. I wish the deliberation all the very best for productive and successfully outcome. May the discussions be fruitful, ideas be innovative, and the decision be wise. May the participants engage with open minds, active listening, and collaborative spirit, leading to effective solutions and positive impacts. I hope the deliberation achieves its goals and exceed expectations, paving the way of progress, growth with success. Thank you. Bande Utko Janani.